How to download Binance app on PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can download up the Binance app on PC. So if you're also looking out on those videos for downloading the Binance app, in this video, we will show you exactly how we can do it. So let's just go ahead and start on how we can do it. First of all, you can just head over to your browser and you have the browser available on your computer or your PC. And just go ahead and type in Binance on your search bar. Once you have typed in that, you will be taken to the space where you will be finding the official links of the Binance available. So in order to download it, you can look for the download option right below the official links and you will be taken to the space. So once you reach over to the space, you can look up for this option called Download Binance for Desktop. You can go ahead and select this option, your desktop option, and just download it on your application, the application on your PC, just like that. So you can also follow the same process in order to download the Binance app on your PC as well and use it on your device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.